Did you know that restaurant-style Jeera rice is often more flavorful than homemade versions? Curious to discover the secret behind it? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the concept of perfect Jeera rice. It's a staple in Indian cuisine, loved for its simplicity and rich flavor. Today, I'm going to show you how to replicate that restaurant-quality goodness right in your own kitchen. Making Jeera rice at home can be tricky. It requires the right balance of water, heat, and timing to get it just right. Many people struggle with overcooking the rice, turning it into a mushy mess that sticks to the pot. Or they end up with a dish that lacks flavor, making the meal less enjoyable. It's easy to feel disappointed when your efforts don't quite hit the mark, especially after spending time and energy. But don't worry, we're here to solve that problem together. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can make perfect Jeera rice every time. Alright, let's dive into the key ingredients and techniques that really make Jeera rice shine. This dish, though simple, relies heavily on the quality and combination of its ingredients to bring out the best flavors. First, it's all about the spices. The right blend of spices can elevate the dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Using fresh cumin seeds is essential. They add a nutty, earthy flavor that's irreplaceable. Toasting them lightly before adding to the rice releases their oils and enhances their aroma. Next, soaking the rice for at least 30 minutes before cooking helps achieve that fluffy texture we all love. This step allows the grains to absorb water, making them cook more evenly and preventing them from breaking. And when it comes to cooking methods, using the right amount of water and a tight-fitting lid can make all the difference in enhancing both texture and flavor. The steam created inside the pot ensures that each grain is perfectly cooked, resulting in a dish that's both fragrant and delicious. Now, here's the ultimate cooking tip that sets restaurant-quality Jeera rice apart from the rest. It's all about toasting the cumin seeds in ghee before adding the rice. This simple yet crucial step infuses the rice with a rich aromatic flavor that you just can't get any other way. The ghee enhances the nuttiness of the cumin, creating a symphony of flavors that elevates the dish. Trust me, this is the moment you'll remember when you taste that perfect bite. The texture, the aroma, and the taste all come together to create an unforgettable experience. To wrap things up, we've covered the importance of using fresh spices, soaking the rice, and employing the right cooking techniques. These steps are crucial for making perfect Jeera rice. Remember, it's the attention to detail that elevates this dish from good to unforgettable. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make perfect Jeera rice. I'd love to hear about your experiences, so please leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out my other cooking videos for more delicious recipes. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. Happy cooking! Happy.